Ever wanted to be in the shot with your loved ones or capture that perfect landscape without a shaky hand? The Nikon D3500 self-timer function is your answer, and setting it up is incredibly straightforward. First, press the I button. Located below the LCD screen, this brings up the info display. Navigate to the self-timer icon. It typically looks like a clock. Use the multi-selector directional pad to move the highlighted box over this icon. Once the self-timer icon is selected, press the center of the multi-selector to access the timer settings. Here, you'll see your delay options: a 2-second delay, a 5-second delay, and a 10-second delay for group shots, or when you need a bit more time to get into position. The 10-second delay is usually ideal for avoiding camera shake. Even 2 seconds can be enough. Once you've chosen your desired delay, press the center of the multi-selector again to confirm. Now, compose your shot just as you normally would, then press the shutter button fully. You'll see the self-timer lamp on the front of your camera begin to flash, and a countdown will appear on your LCD screen. After the delay you selected, your Nikon D3500 will take the photo automatically, giving you plenty of time to get in frame or ensure a blur-free image. And there you have it, a perfectly timed shot every time, thanks to your Nikon D3500 self-timer.